Our Thursday, because we do have a tornado-warned storm now in parts of southeast Kentucky. This is a storm that previously had a funnel cloud reported with it, so the National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has gone ahead and issued that tornado warning for a storm that is currently moving through portions of Wayne County, with the warning being extended into northern portions of McCreary and Pulaski counties. Now, this storm is located near the Monticello area. It's going to be passing near Mill Springs. This is an area where we already had 3 different tornado-warned storms earlier today. Thankfully, so far, we haven't heard any reports of damage from the earlier storms, and this cell is weakening as it's moving off to the northeast. Now, like I was mentioning earlier today, if you were watching our earlier broadcasts, this area is in between 3 different radars, so we're scanning very high up in the storm. Back when the cell was near that Albany area there in southern Kentucky, that's where the funnel cloud was reported. No official reports of a touchdown, but seeing that there was that rotation and those clouds extending below the base was the reason that the National Weather Service issued the warning. That's when it had a tighter couplet and brighter colors right there, indicative of the potential for forming a tornado. However, since the storm has been moving off to the northeast, the rotation has weakened and broadened as well. In fact, it's nearly not discernible at this point on the velocity scans right here. The velocity scan showing us the direction of the wind and the speed at which they're moving. It can help to tell us exactly where that tornado may most likely be forming. However, we still have that warning in effect for portions of Wayne County, northwestern portions of McCreary County, and southern portions of Pulaski County. It's in effect until 12 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 11 a.m. Central Time at this point, and we are going to continue to monitor this cell. Across the rest of our viewing area, we are watching the areas that I have highlighted in that yellow circle right there for the potential of additional development later this afternoon. That's where we're going to have enough instability, and if storms develop, they could be on the strong side. The rest of our viewing area will just have warm, breezy, and mainly dry conditions, and we should see clearing skies coming up from the south, which is how we may be close to record highs this afternoon. We'll have more in the noon newscast here coming up at 12 p.m., but you can, if you're joining us on our WBIR Plus app, we will continue to stream with a loop of the radar and the very latest updates with the forecast here, and I'll pop in and out of that stream as needed if we get any additional warnings. Otherwise, join us at 10 News at noon, coming up at 12 p.m.